There's a dinosaur at school! No, not really. This is the awesome green screen effect, which we're going to learn about today. All right, welcome back, everybody. We're going to be continuing our lessons in using WeVideo today. Today, we're going to learn how to do a really cool feature in WeVideo, which is doing a green screen effect. So we're going to be using some of the videos and images that are already in WeVideo to do this, just to make things a little bit quicker and easier. It's a really cool effect, so let's see how we do it. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on videos over here on the side. And they actually, if I scroll down, have a whole section of green screen videos. So I'm going to click on see all, and I'm going to pick one that I like. As I said, there's a ton of them on here, so you can scroll through and find different ones. They have ones that are more just kind of a screen that you can put anything on. There's ones with things that are happening in front, ones that look like TVs, computer screens, phones, a lot of different options here. I kind of like this one with the kind of old school TV, so I'm going to click on that one, and I'm going to drag it to my video track. Now, to do the green screen effect, you're going to need 2 video tracks. Right now, I've just got the one, so I'm going to add another video track by clicking on the plus button here next to where it says track, and I'm going to click on video/text, and that adds another video track. Now, for this effect, I need this second video track to be underneath this one with the green screen. So I'm going to click on these 3 little dots right here, and then I'm going to click move down, and then I'm going to do that again so that this track is underneath my video 1. Move down. All right, so now you can see I've got my track with the green screen on top, and then I have another video track underneath that. And now underneath that, I'm going to put whatever video I want to have show up on where the green is, right? So it will look like it's playing on this TV. So I'm actually just going to use another video from on here. I think I'm going to pick this tiger, and I'm going to drag it down to my second video track, which again is underneath my green screen track. Okay, it's important that it's underneath. Now, if I play it right now, you're not going to be able to see the tiger, right? It just looks like this TV with green on it. So I'm going to have to do something to replace the green with the tiger. So I'm going to double click on my clip that has the green screen. And I'm going to go to where it says keying. So a green screen effect is actually called, technically called a color keying. So I'm going to click on where it says keying, and this is going to give me the option to select a color that I'm going to replace with my other video. So I'm going to click on this dropper tool right here, and then I'm going to click on the green heart, and you'll see that the green goes away, and now my video of the tiger, which is underneath, will show up in that space. Okay, just like we did when we were editing, you can see the preview up here, right? We'll show you what that's going to look like. All right, when I think it looks good, I'm going to click done. Now, right now, because the green screen image that I chose is this small TV, the tiger looks really big on the TV. It looks super, super zoomed in. I can't really see that much of the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change the size of my tiger video so that it fits a little bit better on the TV screen. So I'm going to double click on my tiger, and I'm going to go to where it says scale, which is underneath transform. It should be the first thing that shows up when you double click. And I'm going to lower this down, and you'll see that my tiger is now getting smaller. But it also is now only taking up half of the TV. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to drag up my tiger, and you'll see now that he's fitting pretty well on that TV. I can maybe scale him down a little bit more, but I think that looks pretty good. And again, I can check my preview to see what that's going to look like. Yeah, I think that looks great. So I'm going to just click done. And now I've put this tiger onto this TV. Wow, I know. So cool, mind blown, amazing. Can't wait for you guys to try this out.